In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Roblox with a Thrustmaster T80. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your Thrustmaster T80 to work with Roblox. Now, Roblox does not have native support for any steering wheel that you connect to your PC or a console, meaning that if you were to join an experience, for example, Southwest Florida, or any other experience where you can drive around and you connected a steering wheel, regardless of the input that you try to do on the steering wheel, nothing would happen inside of the game. Because of this, we have to use third-party tools. For this video, I want to showcase a tool that you can run on the background of your PC that is going to help you set up your T80 or any other steering wheel that you might want to use. If you are doing this process on a console, then sadly, I don't have any method that is going to help you set up your steering wheel. But all that you would have to do is go over to this website, x360ce.com. The name of the website suggests that this is going to be an Xbox 360 controller emulator, but don't worry, this will also work for the steering wheel. So all that you have to do is go over here and click download for all games. Afterwards, extract this somewhere and you will be able to open the main file. So inside of this program, you will be able to select the controller that you connected to your PC and customize every single button that you have. So as you can see, whenever you press an action, it is going to get recognized as an input. So all that you have to do is set up the stick axis X, stick axis Y, and so on. Once you customize every single button inside of this tool here, you will be able to go over to Roblox or any other game for that matter, and as soon as you do the inputs on the actual steering wheel, they will be translated inside of Roblox. So you will be able to move around, drive around, and everything should work. You will have to spend some time configuring everything, and you can look for specific presets on YouTube and other places to help you set up the steering wheel with ease. So all that you have to do is go ahead and join the experience and you will be able to get this to work with your steering wheel on Roblox. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Roblox with Thrustmaster T80. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.